Hey everybody, this is Shock. Went out to the post today and found a package from the great Mediaassault. He held a contest recently and I won third place. So after everybody picked their prizes, I got a great box set, Hammer Collection. And I'm going to do the unboxing for you right now. This is what arrived at the door. Looks like it's packaged very well. No big dents, no big gashes in it. Everything came in pretty good condition. So let's open that up right now and see what is inside. Got my trusty box opener here. Just cutting away the packing tape, and I'll show you and he has left a letter inside. And lots of newspaper and lots of bubble wrap. Let's check out the letter first. It says, "Shock, congratulations on winning third place in my 1,000 subscribers 3-year anniversary giveaway. I hope you enjoy your prize. Thank you very much for entering and supporting my channel. Alright. And I gave me his initial and Mediaassault. And if you haven't subscribed to this guy, you really need to. Let's check out the box. Alright, Sean. Like I say, he packs it very well so no damage can come to it. And inside of bubble wrap is the box set. The Horror Classic Collection box set. There it is. Horror Collection. And I don't think I've seen any of these films. So I've got a lot of watching to do. Yeah. The horror collection includes Dracula Has Risen from the Grave, Taste the Blood of Dracula, Frankenstein Must Be Destroyed, The Curse of Frankenstein, Horror of Dracula, and The Mummy 1959. Ooh, creepy. Yeah, this is great. Well, thank you, Sean. I have got a lot of videos to check out. The Horror Classic Collection. 6 chilling movies from Hammer Films. Oh, that is awesome. Chillers. And if anybody has seen any of these films, comment below and tell me if they're any good. I'm not sure which order I should watch them in, so I'm going to start at the beginning. The Curse of Frankenstein. That is too cool. Thank you very much, Sean. If you haven't subscribed to Mediaassault, please do that now, and thank you for watching the video.